Expanding your bisexual community can be challenging. However, there are several ways to meet other bi individuals. Online networking sites and dating websites can be valuable resources to meet other bisexual people. Joining groups specifically for bi folks on social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn can facilitate both dating opportunities and friendships with others who share similar experiences. Another route to meet people is by attending LGBT events and joining bisexual or LGBT clubs in your community, as such groups and activities provide opportunities to meet others with similar interests. Likewise, attending general social gatherings and being open about your preferences there can help you connect with other bisexuals. Paying attention to body language and observing how individuals interact with others can sometimes provide clues about their sexual orientation. However, it's crucial to avoid making assumptions and have open conversations with sensitivity and tact. Ultimately, engaging in friendly dialogue and being open about your own sexual identity is one of the best ways to find and connect with other bisexual individuals.